In this video, we will talk about how to link between files, okay, including style sheet and the images. So let's assume that now we have three files, okay, index, internal, and external. They use the same content, and the index files is in fact no styles. The internals is with the internal style sheet, look like this, okay, with the style sheet tag, okay, and the external is the files that rely on external style sheet. So the style sheet is under the same folder. So the style sheet look like this. Let me show you here. This is the style sheet, and the style sheet also rely on images on the same folder. You can see that we have two images here, and let me go ahead and open the style sheet for you. Okay, style sheet look like this. Alright, the style sheet has two images file link, get a URL, and they're all in the same location, so it shouldn't be any big problems. I'm going to close this one out first, create a style sheet, and as you can see that the pattern and also the pattern on the heading. Now I'm going to do some modification here. Most of the time when you do the the web designs, you're not going to put everything in the same folder because it's kind of messy. Okay, you're going to have a lot more files than this. So most of the time you're going to want to put the style sheet in the CSS folder. That is quite a normal practice. So I'm going to move this style sheet into the folder. What happened is that it's going to affect only one file. This file that has the external style sheet link right here. You're pointing in the wrong folder right now. So if I refresh this page, you don't have anything here. Now, how are you going to fix this? What you have to do is you have to add the folder name CSS and then slash. Now it will point to the direct to the right location, and I'm going to refresh this again. Okay, this page again. It should be correct now. See, it looked pretty similar to what we have before, except if you notice we don't have the background because we don't have the pattern right now. So what happened? It is because this link, the CSS is actually linked to the image outside, and it couldn't find the images. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this file one more time. Okay, the problem here is see this debut and this ASU subtotals is in the wrong location. So you kind of have to jump back from this CSS back to the parent folder. So I'm going to do that now. Slash here, and also right here slash. So you can see that uh, from uh, from the external, it jumped into the CSS, and from the CSS, it linked back to the external. And this is how. So I'm going to go back and refresh this page one more time. See, you have the pattern back. You have the pattern of the heading back now. I hope this helped.